Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Recently, I showed you how to make a poop emoji pencil. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow poop emoji pencil. And it comes in two different versions, so you get to choose which one you like best, number 1 or number 2. Or I guess they're both number 2s. I'm going to teach you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need googly eyes, glue dots, pencils, purple, blue, green, yellow, and red pipe cleaners, scissors, a ruler, the number 2 tags, which come from my poop emoji pencil, and hot glue gun. So if you already haven't watched the poop emoji pencil, make sure you go to that because that's where you can get the template, and that'll show you how to cut these out and get these set and prepared. All you do is you cut them out and you put 2 slits on either side so that these can get slid onto the pencils. We're going to start with the cut version, which is this version of the poop emoji. And I should let you know that what happened is I was doing this birthday party and we were doing poop emojis and the kids said, let's do rainbows. And so while we were at the party, we figured it out. So we came up with 2 techniques that I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing is you want to cut your purple pipe cleaner. You want to leave that at 12, but then you want to cut one more in half so that you end up with 6 inches so that you can put the 2 together here to make 18 inches. Now, if you've watched my poop emoji pencil before this one, you know how to put these together, but I'll show you in the next one how to do it. You're going to need a 9-inch blue, cross them over, and twist. Then you're going to need 4 inches of green. Again, cross them over and twist. You're going to need 3 inches of yellow, cross them over and twist. And finally, 2 inches of red. So you end up with a very, very long pipe cleaner that looks like this. Take your pencil and take your glue dots. And just like in my regular poop emoji video, you're going to cover the top of the pencil here with glue dots. You're going to start with the purple end. Place the end of the pipe cleaner right in that glue dot and start wrapping. And you're wrapping basically all around here on the bottom and you're making a purple base. Now when you get to that little joiner part, just push it down so it stays nice and tight. Now you should be getting to the blue, and once you get to the blue, you start wrapping on top of itself to make the second layer of poop. And then you keep going up, you get the green, up, and get the yellow, and finally you're going to get to the red. And the red is what you're going to do your little swirly with. So you just kind of make it like a snake. You kind of snake it up there like that. And there you go. You've got your rainbow poop emoji started. Give it 2 little drops of glue and drop on some eyes. Now if you have fuzzier pipe cleaners, these are rather thin pipe cleaners, but if you have fuzzier pipe cleaners, you end up with a really nice fuzzy poop, which is great. But sadly, these are just kind of thin. So there you go. That's number 1. That's version number 1. Now version number 2, what we're going to do is take all 5 colors and line them up. So you go purple, blue, green, yellow, red. And you're just going to twist the ends together, all 5 ends, to make a nice end. And then you're just going to twist all the way down. Just twist, twist, twist in your hand, twist, 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 all the way down. And then when you get to the very end, really twist that end really good to seal it all off. So you end up with this twist. Now you're going to take more glue dots and put them on the end of your pencil. Now, like we did with all of ours, lay that edge down and start twisting. And just twist it up and around until you get to the top. Make that little swirl at the top there. 2 drops of hot glue. And then, of course, the last thing to do for both is slip your pencil down into that slit. Same thing on this one. Slip it from the top down through. And there they are. And there you have it. 2 versions of your rainbow poop emoji. Now, if you like us, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends, because you know what they say, 2 poops are better than 1. And if you like more stuff like this, check us out at Sophie-World.com. 2 poops are better than 1?